Hi guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to switch from light mode interface into dark mode in Figma. So let's get into the video. First of all, before you switch your interface theme, go to check for updates on your Figma file. Maybe you haven't updated your Figma app on your Windows or Mac. So I just updated mine and just go to the drop down logo for Figma and go to preferences, and then select theme and select dark mode right here. There you go, you have switched from light mode to dark mode. To fully immerse yourself into the dark mode experience, you can change your background from here by clicking the design tab and change the color from here. There you go, you can have now a full immersed dark mode experience for your design. You can now start creating your designs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.